What's up, guys, and today I'm going to be doing another Meet My Kitten up close. Hi, kitty. Show him your beautiful face. Show him your beautiful face. Come on, kitty. Show him your beautiful face. That's her face, and she has like spots on her tummy. She's like a tiger. She has like a little raccoon tail. I think she's adorable, and I love her. Is that right, Pepper? Her name is Pepper. I like to call her Kitty. I just call her Kitty a lot. But her name is Pepper. What's up? What's up? I know, I'm going to try to make Dude and her become friends. She's gotten used to it. Because first she was just would hide under the bed. And then she would play around with toys in here because this floor is messy. And then she finally went out and would look down the steps at Dude across the gate. Like this. Hi, Kitty. Kitty, do you want to show it? Oh. Yeah, you're afraid of a lot of things. When Dude's calm, she would stand up here and look at him through that gate. And then she decided to actually go down the steps. And she'd be like, right here. And then she actually made it eye to eye with Dude. And now she actually comes downstairs whenever she wants. And sometimes when the dog's out and she doesn't know, the dog scares her back up there. Which means they're getting along. Sort of. Hi, Kitty again. Hi. So cute. And wait for her to come in here. Come on, Kitty. Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Oh, there you are. Ow. She likes chewing on my fingers. What was that all about, Kitty? What was that all about? I want to get her a pink sparkly collar with like a bell. I feel like it will match her. So we know where she is. She's always free roaming around the house and we never know where she is. It's just she doesn't know how to get into the attic. She's too small. Hey, don't do that to the chair. Don't do that to the chair. Sunlight shining. She does the proud cat. She's just like, I love her. When she gets scared, I come up there to see, to check on her a lot. And when she's scared, or like been alone, or the dog scared her back up the steps, I always walk into the room and she follows me and hops on the bed with me. And then just calms down and lays with me. Cooney, your little coon tail. Your whole life is a coon. Yeah. So, bye, guys.